Zimmer Biomed, the company that I work for, we design and make orthopedic implants such as knees, hips, elbows, spine, dental, the list goes on. My particular role within the organization is manufacturing supervisor over our knee division. I was approached to take a more senior position in management. One of the requirements was to go back to school, obtain my organizational leadership certificate. What that did was set the tone to continue to further my education. That lit the fire for me to obtain my associate's degree and to also obtain my bachelor's degree. My son needed to see me do that. He needed to see what the standard was going forward in our family tree, so that was very important to me. I was a nervous wreck. Like I said, I never went back to school. I didn't know what it was like. It was very simplified. Plus the support system that they have with the professors, with our counselors, they made themselves available every single day. Anytime I needed them, they were there for me. Online classes were phenomenal for me because my work life, my parenting life, it's very parent-friendly, it's very worker-friendly. Anything I needed to do, I had my own time to do it. That made things a lot easier for me in my journey. I wanted to accomplish something that no one in my family has done. I wanted to accomplish something that no one could take from me. I wanted to belong to something. Being alumni at Indiana Tech is one of the proudest moments of my life.